I hear your echo in the silence, like a signal I can't turn off. Every memory keeps on rewinding, every second hits too soft. I'm lost inside this flashing heartbeat, like a storm I can't escape. And every time I try to leave it, it pulls me back into your name. I don't know how to fight this feeling, it's electric in my veins. Like your touch is still alive here, even when you're far away. Every time we collide, I'm falling faster, like a spark that burns the night. And every time you're near, I'm lifted higher, like I'm learning how to fly. Can you feel my heart break faster, like it's racing through the sky? I can't let this moment fade away, even if I try. Your voice still lives inside my static, feel the shift, just you and me. The neon lights are blurring past the glass. I'm running on a feeling built to last. My pulse is sinking with the rhythm beat. I'm losing ground, I'm lifting off my feet. I never thought that I could feel so high, like burning stars across the midnight sky. It's like a circuit overload, I'm spinning in the light. I'm chasing down the ghost of you within the dead of night. I'm reckless, and I'm ready, 'cause every time you move, I'm paralyzed. I see the future hidden in your eyes. We're running through the static, wild and free. The only thing that's left